Viewer.
Yeezy, Yeezy, Yeezy just jumped over Jumpman. Yeezy, Yeezy, Yeezy just jumped over Jumpman.
Kanye West has moved one step closer to his Life of Pablo proclamation as Adidas announced that they are expanding their partnership with the music superstar. The new deal, reported by TMZ to be worth $1 billion, will include performance gear and a new line of co-branded retail stores. The partnership has been a boon for the German company, as the $350 Yeezy Boost 750s quickly sold out before growing Adidas' share of the $1 billion+ secondary market from 1 to 30% since its debut. While some may find it peculiar for a non-athlete to design and market athletic wear, Kanye argues, "I'm not just a musician singing in front of a mic. We are running, jumping, we're getting hurt. We're in the same arenas that the ball players play in." This is not the first time the company known for their iconic three stripes has turned to hip-hop in search of North American growth, as rap pioneers Run DMC famously fueled sales of the original Superstar sneakers off the back of their hit My Adidas in 1986. 30 years later, the company, which saw sales rise 5% to $3 billion last year, hopes fortunes will continue to flourish as they prepare for a future alongside Mr. West. For Viewer, I'm Kevin Kenny.